The Fiesta ST, inspired by the Ford WRC car, this latest and most current version of the Fiesta is perhaps the most impressive one yet. Once you really get to know it, you realize that it sports what it boasts, and that is real rally pedigree. The Fiesta replaced the Ford Focus RS in WRC in 2017 and has been the Ford of choice in this prestigious event ever since. Fiesta is powered by an all-aluminium engine that produces 147 kilowatts, 290 newton meters. This three-cylinder 1.5-litre turbocharged engine really packs a punch. But for me, this really impressive number when doing my homework on this car was its curb weight. At just 1,218 kilos, this number is only 28 kilos more than the WRC car that it's modeled around. Sure, the WRC version comes in four-wheel drive and reinforced roll cage that would add weight, but it's still a very impressive correlation. Make no mistake, I'm not suggesting that because the weights of the cars are similar, that the road version is in some way the equal of the race car. No. It's just an interesting similarity given how important weight is when you talk about vehicle performance. The Fiesta ST is available in Australia in manual only. This does limit the market just a little, but the true enthusiast would agree that a car like this, given what its grown-up sibling does for a living, should be a manual. Having said that, manual cars nowadays have certainly come a long way, and the Fiesta is no exception. This technology, coupled with triple synchros on the first and second gears, as well as synchros on every other gear, mean that you will have one of the smoothest manual experiences that you could ask for. In case you were wondering, synchronizers or synchros help the gears align with input shafts so that you have a smoother, quicker and more responsive shift. Put simply, Fiesta ST's manual gearbox sports the most advanced technologies available in a mass-produced manual gearbox of the day. For the first time in Australia, the Fiesta ST is offered in a 5-door variant, and if you happen to watch my video on the Focus ST, you'll remember the versatility facts that I pointed out earlier about 5-door hatchback vehicles. It's great to see that they can be applied to this car too. Unlike the Focus, the Fiesta uses a mechanical limited slip differential on the front wheels, which means you're not only relying on clever electronics to assist you in holding your line through corners, but that you're backed up by a mechanical component that kicks in to add extra assistance. Fiesta is available in front-wheel drive only, but don't let that put you off, as the car's rear suspension has been bolstered by the addition of Ford-patented force vectoring springs, a very fancy set of words to be sure, but after reading up about them, I discovered that they are uniquely designed and configured for the Fiesta. So, no off-the-shelf, one-size-fits-all spring for this car. These springs are built to improve stability, agility and responsiveness. Ford also claims that they are cold-formed for great durability and strength. In case you aren't aware, because I certainly wasn't, cold-formed steel is said to be 20% stronger than the hot-formed variant. So let me do an old-school 6-position presentation of the car for you, highlighting some of the points of interest. Automatic LED headlights, auto high beam, AEB with pedestrian detection, automatic windshield wipers, cruise control with speed limiter, LED cornering fog lamps, LED daytime running lights, lane keep aid with lane departure warning, speed sign recognition, ST unique grille and front bumper. Under the bonnet, 3 drive modes, normal, sport and track, launch control, mechanical limited slip differential, 1.5-litre EcoBoost petrol engine, 6-speed manual transmission. Passenger side, power fold exterior mirrors with puddle lamps, ST unique heated Recaro seats, 18-inch aluminium machined wheels, ST unique side skirts, Michelin Pilot Sport 4 tires. Position 4, rear blind spot information system with cross-traffic alert, dual chrome exhaust extensions, LED tail lamps, mini spare wheel, rear park sensors, rear privacy glass, ST unique spoiler, ST unique suspension and ST unique rear bumpers. Position 5, driver side, driver impairment monitoring, dynamic stability control, emergency brake assist, hill launch assist, 6 airbags, driver side passenger, passenger side and curtain. Position 6, interior AM FM digital radio, ambient LED lighting, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Bose & Olufsen 10-speak sound system including a subwoofer, electric park brake with auto hold, enhanced voice control, emergency assist, multiple USB 12-volt ports, Sync 3 with 2 USB slots, satellite navigation, and a host of unique ST features, smart keyless entry, push button start. Well, there it is, a very long and very impressive list of credentials. It's amazing how much this little car has to offer. What I really appreciate though is how much attention Ford has put into these things that would normally never even think of. Things like the rear suspension, the limited slip differential, the advanced steering vectoring. It's a risky move. It's the kind of attention to detail that only a true enthusiast would bother to look up. Make no mistake, they don't come cheap. Features like these add cost to the manufacturing process that is inevitably added onto the final retail price of the car. Most of us would compare this to other small hot hatches on the market, and at a glance, not understanding why the Fiesta seems to be asking a bit more of a premium. Well, it's clear now. Fiesta is just jam-packed full of innovative, cutting-edge technology and build engineering that very clearly sets it ahead of its competition. So there you have it, my summary of the Fiesta ST, along with all the things that I love about this car. I hope you enjoyed it.